Okay, we're going to take a look at example number 2, real similar to example number 1. This time it says Rita deposits $10 per day into a savings account. It pays 5.5% interest compounded daily. So again, notice that she's depositing per day and that it's getting compounded every day. Like we said before, those have to match. We are looking for her ending account balance at 4 years. And so we're going to plug into this lovely little formula down here with our principal amount of $10, which is our periodic deposit in this case. The 5.5% interest, we're going to go ahead, we're going to go ahead and convert 5.5 divided by 100 gives me 0.055. So I'm just going to make a little note of that over here on the top. R equals 0.055. The end value, how often it's compounded. If something's compounded daily, we're going with 365. And this time they've given me the time value of 4 years. So we're going to plug into this formula, the B equals. And we have a principal or a periodic deposit of $10 per day. Open up those two parentheses, and you have 1 plus the rate divided by n. So on this one, I'm going to have my rate of 0.055 divided by the n value of 365. And then your end parentheses and your nt exponent there is going to be 365 times your time value of 4. It's all about just plugging it into the right spot, okay? So now we need to have that -1 on the end with parentheses. If you don't have the two parentheses at the front and this -1 with the parentheses at the end, it will screw up the whole equation, okay? And then in the denominator, we have 0.055, that is our rate, divided by our end value of 365. So we're going to go and type in this loveliness. So again, starting with that fraction bar, I'm going to have 10 double parentheses, 1 plus that rate of 0.055 divided by the end value of 365. 1 parenthesis here, and we're going to raise it to, and I'm just going to do this differently. I can use that keyboard to hit the AB key and get that exponent. And I'm going to type in 365 times my time value of, I remembered everything but the time value. The time value is a 4. So I'll plug that in as my exponent. Make sure you arrow over so that you're on the side of the equation now instead of in the exponent there. And type in -1, close parentheses. Okay? Denominator just looks like the R over N, so 0.055 divided by 365. So if you deposit $10 a day for 4 years, this is the amount you're going to get in the account, $16,329, and 0.176 needs to round up to 18 cents. So 16,329.18. .176 is rounding up to 0.18. And so that's my final account balance at the end of 4 years.